Here is the newest help of AI to us, and that's it. You can change the scene to the fire, or to a storm, or to a desert, or back to your location. And this is the biggest help of AI to the human. Let's go learn it. It's too simple to do this effect. You just need to open the Runway ML website and register to it, create an account, go to this part. You should have a video to give it to this website and give it a prompt, a true prompt, and what you want to make. For example, for this video, I will type this, and then the result is boom. And congratulations, you have it. Here you can see the result of this. Then if you want to upscale your video, you can come here and click on 4K, and you will see the process will start, and then you have a 4K version of your video. Then you can import your footage that you made by Runway into your editing program such as Adobe Premiere, and then put them in above of your previous video, and as you can see, it will be just like an effect, and the scene will be changed. Let's watch it again. Look at the footage in above of the first footage. Hope you use this video and I could help you. You can use this everywhere you want, and the base of it is this that I told you, and you can make any idea by prompt and give to Runway and make it. And this is my channel, my YouTube channel. If you used my video, if you used this and it was useful, please subscribe me and watch my videos. Thank you, my friends. Have a good day.